Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to set up WhatsApp on PC. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Store. Then in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. In my PC, it's already installed. It will take few minutes to install the app. Once you have installed it, open it. Tap on Get Started. Now scan the QR code from your phone. This process will take few seconds. This is how you can set up WhatsApp on your PC. Now you have logged into your WhatsApp account on your PC. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.